Hello and welcome back to another walk around video at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we're looking at pre-owned, certified and reconditioned 2023 Toyota RAV4 XLE Premium all-wheel drive in silver metallic color. This 5-seater SUV comes equipped with 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine and automatic transmission. It produces 203 horsepower. Some of the exterior features here at the front including LED headlamps, LED day running lamps and LED fog lamps, pre-collision sensor integrated behind the emblem, and dynamic radar cruise control camera integrated into the windshield. On the side here we can see black over fenders, 19-inch wheels with alloy rims and splash guards. Other exterior features including black painted roof railings, shark fin roof integrated antenna, rear windows with tint and chrome molding around it, body color door handles with keyless entry, and a body fender that will protect this paint and body of the vehicle while off-roading. This is our smart key fob with RAV4 badge at the back and power lift gate. Keyless entry works easy. You just press those two buttons on the door handle to lock it and unlock. Put your hand in a door handle and the vehicle will be unlocked as long as the key fob is not too far, like in your purse or a pocket. Exterior mirrors have integrated turning light in them, blind spot monitor with rear cross traffic alert. Interior is black. Driver's door is equipped with the soft leather-like inserts, silver elements, power windows with auto up and down, power doors, window lock, power exterior mirror adjustment, driver's seat memory system and silver door handle, speaker bottle holders with storage compartment. Here we can find scuff plate with the RAV4 badge and all-weather rubber mats on the floor. On the left side of the dash we can find small storage compartment, brightness adjustment for driver's display, automatic high beams, front windshield wipers de-icer, heated steering wheel button and power lift gate release and closing. In front of the driver, 3-spoke leather-wrapped steering wheel, and behind it we can find driver informational gauge cluster with a 7-inch digital screen in the center where we can flip through all important settings like our safety settings, lane tracing alert, pre-collision system, blind spot monitor with rear cross traffic alert, traction monitor, audio controls, adaptive cruise mode navigation and fuel economy information as well, currently sitting at 8.6 liters per 100 kilometers from the previous owner, and mileage is very low, so there is still lots of factory warranty left with this RAV4. On the steering wheel on the left side we can find driver informational gauge cluster controls right here, hands-free button, volume up and down and voice intelligent assistant. On the right side, dynamic radar cruise control with front sonar sensor and lane departure alert on-off button, more audio controls, and behind, push button start for the engine. In the center of the dash we can find Toyota multimedia touchscreen with available Toyota connected services, Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, general settings, vehicle settings, and audio controls with the Sirius XM available here as well. Down below, air vents with hazard light buttons, dual automatic climate control with air conditioner, eco heat and cooling mode, front windshield de-icer, rear window defroster, heated front seats for driver and front passenger, traction control off button, airbag indicators in the center, and engine start stop off button. Down below we can find storage compartment for the phone, USB port, 12-volt connector, gear shifter knob, electronic parking brake with brake hold, eco, normal and sport driving modes, and when we press them, driver's display changing its colors. Snow mode, mud and sand, and rock and dirt for multi-terrain select. When you press them, you also will see different graphics on the screen as well. A storage compartment. No, we'll just do it. Storage compartment for small items, 2 cup holders, central console armrest with storage bin and 2 USB-C charging ports in there. Another storage shelf in front of the passenger. Overhead console including rear view mirror, compartment for glasses, map lights, LED map lights for driver and front passenger. All interior lighting is LED. Toyota SOS Safety Connect for emergency and roadside assistance with the active Toyota Safety Connect subscription. This RAV4 XLE Premium comes with the power sunroof, and that's the controls for the sunroof. Sun visor have integrated mirror with the LED light and extender on the side. Seats are made of black Softex material, which is totally like leather-like, just lasts longer than a real leather and doesn't require such a frequent maintenance. Headrests, driver's seat is 8-way power adjustable with 2-way lumbar support, and front passenger seat is manually adjustable. All seats are in great condition, like new. Rear passenger area have children's safety locks in each door, power window buttons in the doors, speakers, bottle holders, and a storage pocket behind the front passenger seat. Here's our rear seats. They have optional armrest with cup holders and LED map light. At the back of the central console, we can find 2 USB-C charging ports and air vents, all-weather rubber mats with RAV4 badge. Seats easily folding 60-40 in order to form flat cargo area, and children's seat anchors placed at the back. Moving to the cargo area, here at the back we can see rear spoiler with high-mounted stop light, privacy rear glass with tint, tail lights, a RAV4 XLE all-wheel drive badge, 2 additional LED lights, backup camera, double exhaust tips, power lift gate with over 1,000 liters of cargo space at the back. Privacy tonneau cover comes with this vehicle. We can extend it to protect our cargo from being visible from outside. LED light, 12-volt connector, storage pocket. Underneath this cover, we can find spare tire and tools to replace it. Also, this RAV4 XLE Premium comes with the cargo net. It's stored in this pouch right now. Very clean, just like new RAV4. Let's have a last look at this pre-owned, certified and reconditioned 2023 Toyota RAV4 XLE Premium all-wheel drive that we have here in stock with very low kilometers, plenty of factory warranty left on this vehicle, lots of great premium features like leather-like interior with the heated front seats and heated steering wheel, power lift gate, driver's seat memory system, power moonroof, Toyota multimedia touchscreen with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Sirius XM, Bluetooth, and other great features. Stop by to test drive this RAV4 today. We're located at 137 Avenue and St.Albert Trail at Toyota Northwest Edmonton, the big Toyota dealership.